The elevator shown in the figure is descending with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. The mass of the block A is 0.5 kg. What force is exerted by the block A on the block B? Okay, so we are given this system and there is an elevator over here. Okay, in this elevator there are two blocks, this block B and this block A, and this elevator is descending with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the force exerted by the block A on the block B. So let's write down our free body diagram. Okay, here let's say this is the free body diagram of block A. There will be a upward force on block A. Let's call it as normal reaction on block A upwards, and there is a downward force on mg. Okay, now is there any other force in this on this block A? No, there is no other force. So that means it is accelerating downwards, so that means the downward force must be greater. So mg is greater than na because it is accelerating downwards, right? So we apply the Newton's second law, that means mg minus na is equal to ma. So this is the Newton's second law of motion. So acceleration we know, mass of the block A is known to us, but what we don't know here is that na, right? So na we have to find out. Okay, now what will be the force which is exerted by block A on block B? See, this force which is exerted by block A on block B will be equal to that of the force exerted on block A by block B. Okay, because Newton's laws of motion, okay, according to the Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. So here NA will be equal to mg minus ma. So what is mg? M is 0.5, so I will take m common, so this is equal to m I have taken common times g minus a, right? So g value is not given to us, so we will take g as 9.8. So we will take g as 9.8 meter per second square. So mass of this block is given to be 0.5 kg, and we have to multiply it with 9.8 minus 2. So 9.8 minus 2 is nothing but 7.8. So this is 1 by 2 into 7.8 Newton. So what is 7.8 divided by 2? So let's divide it. It is 3.9 Newton. Okay, so the block A, so the NA force, that is the force on block A, is 3.9 Newton. Now according to the Newton's third law, the same force will be exerted by the block A on the block B. So the block B force will be, on the block B the force will be 3.9 Newton again. So the force exerted by block A on block B is 3.9 Newton, which is downwards.